and thank you for joining me for Ask Gardener Lynn. You know, gardening can be a bit tricky sometimes, and just a little bit of help can turn a troubled garden around. So let's keep those gardens on track. So our question today comes from Christina. She lives in Zone 6B, and her question is, do you store water for the gardens? If so, how do you keep it safe to use? Thank you for asking, Christina. This is a great question. We do store some emergency water. We have a 1,300-gallon tank. It's a large above-ground tank, and this will water our gardens sparingly for just like one watering. And I think as long as you keep the algae under control by having a dark tank, you should be fine for watering the plants with the raw water from the tanks or containers. We've stored water for up to 3 weeks and it has been totally fine. All right, so if you have a garden question you would like answered, please click on the link below this video and submit your question. If you'd like to learn more about high-performance gardening and want to see us grow a whole season of vegetables week by week for 33 weeks, then sign up for the High Performance Garden Show. So in this show, we follow a high-performance garden from seed to putting it to bed at the end of the season. So this is the best insider's look at watching everything we do with the vegetable plants week after week all season long. And we'll even show you a professional trellising system for your garden. The show is free, it's online, and you can watch it anytime. Go ahead and go to our website, thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show to sign up or click on the link below. And please subscribe to our channel for more high-performance gardening information and submit your garden questions so you can get the answers that you need. And I want to thank you for watching, and until next time, may your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.